Imagine waking up to stunning mountain views, top-rated schools, and having access to 22 parks, 19 golf courses, and a vibrant downtown, all minutes from your doorstep. Let's explore this beautifully maintained home and discover why Danville is the perfect place to call home. This 3-bedroom, 3-bath home spans 1,492 square feet, and it's on a 2,160 square foot lot. It has a freshly painted exterior and recently installed AC system. This home is located near 3 top-notch public schools and 3 private schools, all within 5 miles. Enjoy nearby Osage Park, Hap Magee Ranch Park, Diablo Country Club, and Las Trampas Regional Wilderness, all less than 3 miles away. Residents enjoy community pool and private paths leading to downtown Danville for dinner and drinks. This home features a beautiful stone fireplace, a stunning kitchen with soapstone countertops and GE appliances throughout, and a low-maintenance yard. Let's take a tour of 1175 River Rock Lane. Hello. All right, as we enter the home, we are going to find our family room here. Beautiful stone fireplace on this side. Elegant little dining area with fixtures and gorgeous, huge windows. I love these windows. To our left, we are going to find a closet for storage and the kitchen. I love this kitchen. We have so much storage, shall I say ample storage. Look at all that storage around that fridge. All of the appliances are going to be GE. Dishwasher. We've got dark soapstone countertops. The sink is also soapstone. Large window. Tons of storage. Custom pulls and knobs on all the drawers. Gas stove. Microwave. Okay, let's go on into our lovely little cozy family room. To our left, we are going to have the garage. It is a 2-car garage. We're going to have a little bar area right here with a cute little custom built in for your wine glasses and some extra storage. Okay, let's go on outside and see our low maintenance backyard. We've got trees out here. I love these trees. We have got artificial turf, so you do not have to mow the lawn. Anybody out there allergic to grass? I know it's a big deal these days. My son's actually allergic to grass. It's pretty tough, so it's nice to have the artificial grass. Pretty easy to clean too. Let's go back into the home and check out the upstairs. I love these engineered wood floors. Let's come back through the dining area. Oh, I love that view. All right. To our left, we are going to find the powder room. It has nice shutters in here for your privacy. Cute little mirror. We will find all the bedrooms upstairs. To the right will be our first bedroom, complete with plantation shutters for privacy, clean carpet. Our bathroom is directly to the left of that room. Newer floors, a tub, and we will come out here, and our washer and dryer is conveniently located in this closet between all the bedrooms. And the second bedroom is here to its left, complete with plantation shutters and a small little walk-in closet. Clean floors. Some more storage here in the hallway. And right here is going to be your heater. And we will enter the primary suite now. I love this room. Has some beautiful light in here. I'm going to end the tour with that view actually. So let's pop back over here and go into the bathroom. I will show you the closet first. Nice size closet. Some storage racks here. Fresh paint in the bathroom. And a nice soaking tub in here. And frosted glass for your privacy. And here we are. Nice big window with seating. And I love this view right here with this tree out here. And you could see the mountains past those homes, past the tree, past those homes. I love that view. It's so pretty. There's so many beautiful views in Danville. And there's so many nice people. I love this little community. I love looking at all these homes. They're very well maintained and beautiful. And let's take a quick view from the top. I love these high ceilings. Gorgeous. All right, thank you so much for joining me on this tour. Thank you for joining me on this tour of 1175 River Rock Lane in Danville. I hope you enjoyed exploring this beautiful home and all the amazing amenities the Danville community has to offer. If you'd like a private tour or have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me. I'm Tammy Holtz with eXp Realty, and I look forward to helping you find your dream home.